Mwancho morigereria habwe gataseni nago sogere marogoba yabono ande onse asogena tokoba go ko bwatimero belio yaito yegetaseni Kendizi TV kuruba ketego ikira chinga kibonechi ikomi chebono mogoroba sentunere tomerana sembe no kumenya tu asenchere ubwenge kigi mali togena tokoba to korotota kurwa semesa yaito yamaya ko bwatirana mona bariki baito bamwana mayana bange to kwalgana tikati yabo enyagitari go se dispensary yenyansonge yegotoka ase ward ya Kisii Central yakonyora ogosirwa kurwa serikali ya county ya Kisii asabanyara koba bakonyora ebita asabanyara koba kwenyorera ebitanda ibera chikoba bigosira anene sector elirengete kwenyorera gose okoibora kwa bangena gatianda mange kwariganete ngorena ndase kagitari getambe tanyara ko bato gusanga munaye hasenchira yobekirana Wetra mitandao yetu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, wetra YouTube Ndizi TV News na boigo CNSMO area ye website ya www.ndizitv.net na bokuya bwatia na boigo emerobelio autogena tokobatu kwariganira kuruba ketego ikira chinga kibuna chisara mo manye nsemo ya kabere koneka buna chibi chamurero gichago chira senchira yobo ikira chinga kilidia mose agenda tokoba gako ya bwatia na boigo kwanika nyale koba koletera wetra somono Webi manyireria nagoro kwa Josephat Amisingo kwaligania tanyara ko bato gusanga muna senchira yobwenge kegi mabune nchira yemo yogo sira sector yobo cheno ime county ya Kisii lero nigo mwe msebe ward ya Kisii Central Wilfred Monyenye nigo aliganire go sanyare ko baga koboria abantu bonsi banyara ko bakwene kyanga banyara ko bagweso kyana bigo kolingoli gwa amaruire abo okwana litko lero maiga yoko ena na ogosira kwa ebitanda uchasenya gitari yenyansongo ime ya sub county ya Kisii Central nigo Monyenye hanyale ko bago tebanga ibitande binigo birachiko bikwene kenye benyare ko bigosira ensemo area abangina bakonyara ko baba koiborera ngati yemero benyare ko bakwene kya egenrete ko bagosirwa na oeke ne county gosobotenerwe county ya Kisii buna enchera yamewe ikirania amaganyo yobo bwene ocha bamenyi ve county ya Kisii yanene ime ward yo ya Kisii Central
Sheka. Busheki kirogo kiri.
Litukolia lero na twikire gaiga Masongo Health Center ya ito level 3 county ya ito ya serikali ye governor ya ito na level Simbarati amona incho mheshimiwa we ward litukolia lero na balete ile bintu via maternity ya ito ya Masongo elinda abantu baitombana kogenda guchiaria Bosongo litukulia leo nalete bintu bie milioni yemo contractor ya Hand Rover gocha sende no rochega ninde na omo officer in charge no monas clinic officer na ero omo officer in charge amona nursing officer igebinde muna tu Hand Rover na abantu be count abantu baminto ba Masongo gonko bate bimobe maiso ebinde mbisa leka kusembi gendande elinde bikonye enyagitari yaito nenyagitari yegera se boundary boundary ya Bobasi amona Bonchari amona Kisii Nyalibali chache ward tobe kaine ne ya basi chache amone ya Bomulenda yonkobuli abashimiwa baito babere nabaruba jangia none kero ngobeke budget ya Mariogo nabaruba menta kwa sababu abantu baba bange no bakoraki no bakurwari
Togo sukamote maigaye bunge senete wake kura yoko murusia visio mugavana we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza na bwigo ekigambero kya Milimani me county ya Nairobi kona changa anyare kobaga kogendera gutigara obisi asensemeli banyara koba bakwena na conservative gose conservator order bono nigo omowakili oyomo ime county ya Kisii Seleta Wilkinson chukenyare koba koerera boikira ngankikiria gekoba gekoerera anene kigambero kenyara kwa kwena na conservatory order kolengana nere niganyare koba kwene kihangana manga konyara kobaga korigererigwa asabano nyare kobaga goitabirana amone odi yanyara koba kwena no gochiase omugavana Mwangaza asikalia tebirenga bono na chikoba kwenyara libagalio koegerera na boigo kwerera mange ali akero kende harocha tanyare kobaga kolekana kolengana na ogwancha kwae ase ebunge elia ye senate
Asereta Wilkinson Ochoki mwakilinde kawaida chikoti chete chikorigereria lot of facts but number one when the go to a judge because one of the judge is on vacation we judge ile bwango judge nkomatere sana sekina ya chire ngamu kuruchi odecho so they were very lucky wakanyole judge ekaba orders but inkoligere libale ne merit yekinanga are strong points una naro chobone bare gotabanga number 1 in senate yekaraste even after egekaransari tukoli ya egacha go vote on a new day etaringe gazetted for the hearing ye impeachment motion hiyo. That was one of the grounds nebinde kawaida for impeachment matters and conservatory orders ekero chikuru nende koeleza na conservatory orders basically it mean thing echigo conserve ngabono echi ale conservatory asege songe mean thing yaninga tige bintu biwe bunabire abantu ngokwana bale sana injunction ele go teneni tokora kende but conservatory otanaki tige bintu biwe bunabiyarenge so that Bonwega, based on the orders annualete, nagendera ko office na rochika ko beke bija social media na bad no alegasi. So she is pretty lucky, but unyokuna kana rochicho adecho kineki ngoja ko bakere mention sometime in September. Talinga atene niri ngabono decision yes anything I have already set aside. Ekoti yaro the orders yecho has to go on an interim basis. Neche we senate ngakia whatever because ne senate ya soete county assembly no ne county government ngochiro na wero so imete bana kintu taito kuiwekana igobona krobago je kuiwekana then court ne make a decision yete bana is that application merited or it's not merited igobona that is just interim ekere kinake wekana ekere application ye wekana court ne chete bana chiode jinko bachiroro
Chingaki echecho nigo omuwakili oyocho kiweganyale kobaga koboli okubwatira no goikirano anena sobotene bechi serikali chechi county asanyara kobaga komorekera obwamate bubweneza koboko bogati yo mugavana nabo igono mo seneta ba MC unenchira ya mo yo goikirania abamenyi bechi county chira cha magendro korengana na ochoki boigo niganyale kobaga kwenekia nga okobaga kana nabo igo amaberagsi asano gwatanekana ogonyara koboko kwenekiwa aso bwamate gati yo mo seneta ba MC nabo igo omugavana nigo ikonyara kwabage koirera anene ogotongora nabo igo ogotaikirani gwagwechira chamagendera soboteneri which county
senators ordinarily limba what the nature the kind of resources that governors were what abantu bawenda kolega sikunya baina na space the little favors abantu bawenda kwaina na baina na nebitika birebyo tewena letiko banga nelinga abantu banchane kabisa nga bali gotigana bago supportani mbawena to correct each other samahosal lakini te ikera ego ikerange mago correct and pakase malis because kawire eren kwa giwale gotambe nga the meru abasaja wali aba meru including the senator mbamuda gereti maya and to some extent that may be a valid point but for me mo senator no because one mo senator kare gari ekara bantu bawe karansa nende ngane budget chibesa omo seneta nero ora agende karare mali apusha tena kisi tote for example para ya kisi oyugisteraro siguje bekere chibesa koreke chiwo cha busibono bose as counties and I'm using kisi as an example omo governor amanya na ko implement gotumia chibesa ichi nende ko genda ba seneta no ko role committee ngo samu bale the governors and the executive they can still follow up audit queries what confirm much so that politics still about Njombo politics the when the government no victimize yaman the main thing abantu abaso era politics never no senator never no governor is about service as a common mwananchi ulio chandegete sana because abantu baire security baire chigari serikali bakaye uchi driver indagira baguli ne yambu taxpayer uyo chandegete so that for me mbagwena the wanchana lakini mbagwena the kolega asiamo buya because they are serving omwananchi oyorese so that they need to coordinate
asengane rengete oborende ni gobono abamenye kurwa sekenyaro giage saba kwego tokensemo yamagena banyara ko bagweso kina korobekana asikari batebire nigo serikali yanyarire ko bage gusunduka nabo igotera bitambukiro binde byonsi ekoneke buna oburendi banyare ko babogotingwa asensemo eyo nigo banyara ko babagotara kurwa sensemo yegisaba kwa ange kilomita 10 na wikirana segeta seni kyabanyanyimbo kya Kenya asabanyara ko babakobeka okwemurungania kwabo bosiobwa omutenaniri bw'abanyanyimbo asensemo eyo kolenga nabaro igo nigo batebire abanyare ko babakwenekia abanchwa babo bagoitwa se chinjira chobo tutukano abande banyare ko bakwirerwa ko butorano nabo igogo tugutwa mbarabare amone chibara wikiraboni gane batebire serikali teranyara ko bage kwirage tambokero kende gionse sabanyare ko bagusaba anene sector elie konyara ko be kumurekera oborendia se sub county ya Kenya nyare ko bage gwesokia sobwango nago chaka obotukiheliyo ko babeka biara abakogora bande bonse abanyare ko bakubwatanirwa amono boiti hobwo bobututukano.
Kuna jambo ambalo linaendelea sababu serikali mzima haiwezi kosa gari ama njia jinsi ya kupeleka fingerprints Nairobi. Ndio tumekuja hapa kuuliza ni nani ambaye anachangia katika haya mauaji? Kuna mtu ambaye anafurahia kuuawa kwa hawa watu? Kuna mtu ambaye ana protect wale wauaji kwa kile kijiji? Ndiposa tunataka tukae chini na tunasema kwa serikali kwamba ni lazima kuna njia hapa ya kudefeat justice.
Mauaji yamefanyika mpaka tumechoka. Kuna mzee mmoja, mzee mkongwe alikatwa akakuja kupatikana asubuhi kama amekatwa kwa kitanda. Mwingine ni mwenye alikuwa anasomama kiti ya MCA 2022 anaitwa Thomas Yokari Ntweka, aliingia kwake akakatwa kwa madress yake akakatwa akauriwa. Kijana mwingine anaitwa Anton kule nyumbani, yeye akawawa akapatikana amewawa kwa njia. Wengi hata siwezi hesabu watu 11. Latest ni ndugu yetu anaitwa Sobu Elvis Marube. Sobu Elvis Marube alitoka mahali alikuwa vizuri akaingia kwake, kuingia kwake asubuhi tukabata watu wanapigiwa ripoti chama amewawa. Kwenda amewawa kwa kitanda. Ako hapo amelala amepigwa panga hapa.
Watu wengi wamekufa bila kujua sababu ni gani. Tafadhali tusaidie tujue mwenye anafanya haya makaza kuanzia leo waache na tupate usalama huko kwetu Gesawa kwa village.
Togoska mote magega yoko ngusana amaberera aksiasa nabo igogota igwana kugenda tokobokwene ase county ya Meru kwanyara kobokwirera aba MCA ba county eyogwaka ekura yoko murusia BC omugabara be county ikawira mwangaza bono nigo oyobwango igonyale kobaga gwesokia na nene kubatwe birengerere bya kubwatikana no kongusana na okwo no mugabana be county ya Nyeri Mutai Kaiga oyonyale kobaga koyeranga nigo okongusana no okwo korachikobokwirania maiga egati ya magendro ya county yo ya Meru gokwana amane nyumba choboraria nigo Mutai boigo anyale kobaga gotebanga banka barachikoba kumia na bakichikura habukero kendra bwa togo semelenga abara yabumba chikoba gwikirania echira cha magendro niganyale koba komoche serikali ene naso wesonania amono boteneri bwechi county na boigo gotabwatuka echibesa echisa inego se ase chinga kichibwerenete eluchinyara koba chigwikirania emerobere ya magendro asuboteneri bwechi county.
This continued war between the assembly and the executive will continue making the people of Meru suffer because programs will never be run, services will never be rendered as they should. And therefore we would request, and as chairman of the regional bloc, I would want to humbly request the people of Meru, all efforts. I know there was a team that was set up by the president of 23 to bring reconciliation. Let us work together to ensure that Meru is working. County governments are not in competition with the national government at all. The Constitution of Kenya is clear on roles, functions, and responsibilities of each level of government. And we know that national government continues to infringe upon the rights and the functions of county governments. On the issue of the cash crunch, yes, we have observed that the CARA has been approved, that there is still that delay. But what the National Assembly has approved is 380 billion, as opposed to what was approved through using the DORA, which is the 400.1 billion. The National Assembly is becoming rogue, and and especially we saw the other day they even removed the RMLF, Road Maintenance Levy Fund, which is constitutionally supposed to be with counties. And we went to court. We already have orders to suspend that decision.
Tukoska mote ni gobone serikali nene yanele kobage kolia chirangane chikobage kwangoya obagachi bwechibara ha sepoti ya Lamu bunenchira yamo yokone kiabuna obonchore na bigobo sombi asenseme yo bwanyale koba bogo tingi gwago kwana litkolia lero magega yogo ikirana setaro ya bene korotota emerobeli ya magendro asepoti ya Lamu nigo omowaziri bobo sombi na bigobo chibara Davis Chirchil kobaga kwene kiabuna chinga kibono murobelio yumugimura nyale kobago kwera nigola chikobago kwene kinyale kobago kubwatania chinse iberegati yabo ense ya Sudan na bigo Ethiopia libanyale kobago tuara chinjira balanyale kobago korobo sombi na bigo kwene kianga banyale kobago kubwatirana asemerobelio ya ogotinia obonjorelia asensemo iyo no murobelio nyale kobago teba urachikobago kwira chinga kichinge kigimakoera elio nyale kobago kwigura bene unyale kobago gochaka gotumeka elio nyale kobago
What we need to do in Lamu to support the corridor is to develop the special economic zone, tuhakikishe kwamba viwanda zimekuja hapa kwa sababu we don't just want to rely on our neighbors to support the Lamu as a seaport. We need to develop that special economic zone. Tumefika pia tukaona what SEZ, Special Economic Zone Authority, is doing. They've got about 5,000 acres. They have opened a road. We have driven halfway the road. We need to open that road and make sure that we do facilitate the development of the Special Economic Zone. To let viwanda, we create opportunities for employment, but more importantly, we grow industry. Industry at the moment is growing at about 7% GDP. We need to move it up to 10, 15, and so on and so forth. So my focus for Lamu as a tour would really be to ensure that Lamu is that kind of county headquarters, not just because of being one of our 47 counties, but the county headquarters which supports inland and outbound and inbound goods coming in all the way to Uganda, Rwanda, DRC, but more importantly, the northern part of the country into Ethiopia, South Sudan, and of course our competitors in Djibouti, our competitors down.
Gati yari to gende to kubatu kwarigereria kurwa semesa yaito yamaya umonchu muligere nigo nakko yaretera gwetera century bwenkegima kurende ensa ayemo chinsa isato chiare robot ko munyara ko mukomera na amonere Vincent Onyancha nyara ko baga kujya rutota nako baretera hegati yari to gende to kubatu ko babwataria century ya oboikerano Lydia Mose nyara ko bakwa nikiago cherwetera asumuno bebi manyerio saramo manyasemo yakabere studio kwa nakinga chibicha munelio gi echago chera century yobo Kirano liane goro kwa Josephat Amisi na konerie oboligerio byabwe morobelio ekobwatia tomerane angyo ime yobwansubu ya sabatonyara ko bogotwara oboligerio bya